Now let us take a look at the 3 common caching strategies, but for the writes. First would be the write aside strategy. Now in this strategy, as it is very evident from this diagram that the data is directly written to the database, bypassing or ignoring the cache at all. Now you might wonder, how does the cache gets updated then? Well, this happens during the read process. When the data is read, the system first checks the cache. If there is a cache miss, or if the data is not found in the cache, then the data is fetched from the database and then the cache is updated. So basically the cache gets updated reactively or on demand rather than proactively. This is why this approach is also known as lazy caching. Next is the write through strategy. Now this is very similar to the read through strategy that we saw as one of the reading strategies for the cache. In this strategy, every time the data is written, it's first written to the cache. Then the cache immediately updates the database and then it sends the confirmation back to the application or the caller. Now this process happens synchronously. Basically, step 1 followed by step 2 followed by step 3, and only then there is a confirmation sent to the application. So basically the caller or the application is assured that whenever it gets the confirmation from the cache, then the database has already been updated. Next, let us move to the write behind strategy, which is our third type of write strategy. Now this strategy is quite similar to the previous one, which is the write through strategy. Basically, whenever the data is written, it's also first written to the cache and then the cache would update the database. The key difference here that you can also spot from the diagrams is in the step numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. Basically the steps 3 and 4, that is the update from the cache to the database, is happening asynchronously here. So effectively, an application tries to write the data to the cache. The cache would update itself and then send the confirmation to the application here. Now, after sending the confirmation to the application, it would then update the database with this new value. So basically, the steps 3 and 4 happen asynchronously here.